asked to evaluate the sine of 240 degrees and without a calculator. So this is where a lot of the ideas in the chapter come together. So first thing we always want to do is let's just go ahead and draw this angle and see where is it, what are we dealing with. Sine of 240 degrees, so we're going to go 90, 180, and how many more degrees do we have to go? To get from 180 to 240, we actually have to go 60 more degrees, so we're going to be right about there. So next step is we want to find our reference angle. Now the reference angle connects the terminal side to the x-axis, so here is our reference angle, and we do want to know this angle measurement. So it will be 30, 45, or 60, so we can use one of our special triangles. And we just have to figure out which one it is. So I did say we were going to go 60 more degrees, so I know that this is a 60-degree angle. And now let's go ahead, make the triangle which connects to the x-axis always. And then you notice if I just kind of pull this out and draw a little bit bigger, we are dealing with a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if we label our 30, 60, 90 triangle with the way we've been doing these, across from the 30 is the x, our hypotenuse is 2x, across from the 60 is x root 3, and then what we're going to remember is let's let x equal 1 for all of these. So instead of the x up here, this actually has a length of 1. 2 times 1 for the hypotenuse is just 2, and then x times root 3 is 1 times root 3, so really that third side gives us root 3. So we have our three sides. Now if we were to put these back into the triangle, you know, back on the coordinate plane, we just want to make sure that we're being accurate with positive and negative signs. So from here to here, if we're going to the left, that's this value of 1, but because we went from the origin to the left, we're actually going to label with a negative 1. Now because we're going here down, which is this root 3, it's going to be a negative root 3. And then the hypotenuse, in all of these triangles, hypotenuse will stay positive. All right, so we can evaluate the sine of 60 degrees, which will give us the same thing as the sine as the 240 degrees when we use this triangle over here that we drew. So sine is SOH, so opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite side is a negative root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So we look at negative root 3 over 2. We actually don't have any simplifying to do on that, so that will be our answer, which means the sine of 240 is a negative root 3 over 2. And there's our final answer. So what we're doing is we're using a reference angle to help us get the final answer for theta.